Hi guys, we are back once again in the courtroom. Mama Pisa Ngakula is the former South African Defence Force Minister. She's also the former Parliament Speaker. She held various high-profile roles in government. She is in court and she is charged with money laundering and corruption, basically. It is alleged that she received kickbacks for a defense force contract when she was still a defense force minister. The corruption allegations were made by a businesswoman who claimed that in 2016 her company was awarded a contract valued at 104 million rands. So few days later, the businesswoman realized that her contract was suspended, and she contacted Mama Pisa to understand what can be the problem. And allegedly, Mama Pisa Ngakula referred her to her secretary, and then the secretary approached the businesswoman, and the secretary allegedly asked the businesswoman to pay them 300,000 rands, allegedly, before she could get that contract. The businesswoman paid the money and then she went on to report the matter. She laid charges or she reported the matter, something like that, to the authorities. Now she found herself in court and her case has been dragging for long. She became very emotional when the judge postponed the case to the 21st of November 2025. The reason is because of her lawyers, her defense representatives. They claimed that they are not yet ready for trial. They said they still need to go and peruse the documents because they only received the documents not so long ago. So her defense lawyers are letting her down. She was very emotional at the end of the court. Take a listen to the court proceedings and do not forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much.
At this stage, we are working on a docket that we have not finalized, we haven't perused it, and we'll have to see what information.
But we have received disclosure, that's all, Mr.
We've received the docket last week, my lord, yes.
So the subpoenas that you want is in relation to separate aspect.
It's a different aspect, yes.
Yes. And 6 weeks is a very long time to get the subpoenas.
As the court please, my lord, we are in your hands. We will attend to the subpoenas.
Yeah, but I'm worried about what you are saying now. You are going to arrange on a provisional date, meaning that on the next occasion we must also arrange for another date.
My lords, we can have it for pre-trial on that specific day then.
Yeah, but we cannot, Mr. Low, what is your attitude?
My lord, my attitude was based also on the fact that the Defence Council mooted the possibility that they want to make representations to the National Director.
Yes.
But they will only know that after they receive the instructions from their client, and I factored that in order to deal with representations should we get involved.
So what are you arranging now?
A date for 21st of November on that basis.
Yeah, but what is it for?
For the Defence to take instructions and possibly to make representations and for a result to that representation.
So it's a provisional date that you are arranging?
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, court please, my lord, it will indeed be a provisional date if that is suitable to your lordship.
So it's only one day?
It's only one day, my lord, yes.
So that's why I'm saying on the next occasion, on the 21st, we are going to arrange another date.
We are going to arrange another date, my lord, yes.
Yes. The request is made by your council to have this matter adjourned until the 21st of November 2025.
kunesicelo esenziwa ummeli wakho ngegqwetha lakuba ityala elinyanyiswe de bangomhla wama-29 21 November kulo nyaka sikuwo.
It's now being placed on record that your council has received full discovery of the DICA docket, which I'm told that it comprises of 26 Act Labor files, that your council needs to go through it.
Inkundla ke ikuxelela ukuba ngaba ke iinkcukacha zonke igqwetha lakho ummeli wakho besifuna uzifumene le nto bathi ke ngabula makhumsha ke i-full discovery yonke into uyifumene kwaye futhi ke bathi phayana ke nee-files eziyi-26 anesithandathu ummeli wakho okanye igqwetha lakho elinqwenela ukuba ngaba ke libonisane lidlane indlebe kunye nawe ngazo.
This was only finished to your council last week.
Konke ufumene kweveki iphelileyo.
So a further request is made by your council to subpoena bank statements. I don't know whether it's from various banks or it's in one bank institution. So the process is going to take a period of about 6 weeks.
Kunesinye futhi isicelo ke esenziwa ligqwetha lakho ukuba ngaba ke kufunyanwe iinkcukacha ke zasebhenki ngabula makhumsha ke i-bank statements ukuthi ujaji akayazi noba ke ibhenki enye okanye ziibhanki ezazibahlukeneyo kusini na uthi ke iyonke lomquko leyo ingathatha iiveki ezintandathu.
Council also want to make representation to National Director of Public Prosecution in relation to all the document that has been discovered to see to whether there is a case or no case for you or the state to withdraw charges against you.
Okunye ke futhi igqwetha lakho elinqwenela into yoba mabalikwenze ukuthi ke ligqithise imbalelwano okanye libhalele ke okongamele ezabetshutshisi emveni kokuba ngaba ke ethe wajonga ke ezithukacha ezi azifumeneyo okanye edogetha azifumeneyo ukubona ukuba ngaba ke abezitshutshisi bayaqhubeka okanye bangaqhubeki kusini na netyala eli.
The state is not opposed to such request.
Mtshutshisi ke okanye abetshutshisi abo apha kwinkundla ngoku abasichasanga eso sicelo eso.
I'm also amenable to grant that request.
Nyankundla ke nayo izimisele ayinangxaki ukuba ngaba ke ivumelane neso sicelo eso.
For that purpose, this matter is then adjourned to the 21st of November 2025. It's a provisional date.
Ngenxa yoko okanye ngenxa yezo zizathu inkundla ke izawuthi kungamise ityala eli kude ngomhla we-21 kuNovemba idate nje leyana yethutyana amagama ke yidate yokuba ngaba ke kujongwe okanye kulungiswe zonke ezi zinto inkundla ngoku iye yazikhankanya.
Your bail is extended on same conditions that will be here on the 21st of November 2025 at 10 o'clock.
Kusengaphandle ke ngebheyili phantsi kwayo imiqathango leya ukade uyimisela ngaphambili ukuba ngaba ke ube lapha ngazo i-21 zikaNovemba kulo nyaka sikuwo.
You understand?
Kuyavakala. Understood.
Please take this time and consult with your council.
Iyacela inkundla ngaba ke usebenzise elithuba lokuba ngaba ke uhlale indlebe negqwetha lakho.
So that on the 21st of November we have a clear direction.
Ukuze sikwazi uba ngaba ke ngazo i-21 zikaNovemba sazi ukuba ngaba ke sibhekaphi na.
Yes. Good agents.